What shall we do when our outdoor hobbies confront the hot weather? It's the neck cooler. It's easy for wearing, light and comfortable, and in one-button start. Using TEC refrigeration technique matched with logical algorithms, neck cooler can cool the carotid blood vessels on both sides of neck in a reasonable and safe manner. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. When you turn on the neck cooler, the sensor timely captures the outdoor environmental temperature and accurately controls the refrigerating capacity of the mini refrigeration chip, reasonably cooling your skin through aluminum alloy, making you feel more comfortable. It's small and portable. We use titanium alloy memory metal and repeatedly optimize the technological structure of the product so that you almost can't feel any weight on your neck. Then you can enjoy your outdoor time as you like. We have successfully developed a refrigeration chip with ultra-low power consumption. Try to wear out our neck cooler and take a long ride. I'm sure you'll get a brand new riding experience. With the neck cooler, you don't have to worry about retrofitting your car in a hot summer anymore. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. The neck cooler also uses IPX7 waterproof design so that you can use it anywhere. And the product uses magnet charging. That is, you can charge it efficiently and conveniently by a touch. This is what the neck cooler likes. No matter you're jogging, hiking, cycling, motorcycle traveling, golf, or working in a high temperature, the temperature control system of neck cooler can reasonably cool you and make you feel more comfortable. This is a product worked out by playing of a group of friends who love life and outdoor actions. Support THEKU, just in Kickstarter.